Hello and welcome. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. With rapid urbanization, we have a lot of people living in very less space, and this has led to rapid decline in greenery and green spaces. We have very less green space, not only outdoors but indoors as well. So, if space is the constraint, should we stop growing plants? No, go vertical and hang plants on the wall, and you can start growing plants indoors as well. You should grow more and more indoor plants in cute little tiny planters such as these. So I got these really cute little planters from Elite Earth. Elite Earth makes concrete planter which are not only trendy but sustainable as well. So when I got these from Elite Earth, I thought I'll be doing a giveaway on my Instagram as well as YouTube. So Instagram giveaway is already over and now it's time for a giveaway here. First, let me tell you something about these gorgeous planters. That first thing, that these are quite trendy and contemporary, and second thing is these are not made of plastic. Third one, these are sustainable products. Fourth is that you can get them customized. Yes, this is the fun thing, that you can get them customized. Whatever you already have on your mind, or you have dreamt of having such planter, like if you ever wanted to have a planter in a shape of fish or duck or elephant or a clasping hand or any such planter, then you can just tell me, and Gurpreet, who is the founder of Elite Earth, will be gladly making that planter for you. So this giveaway is all about turning your dream into reality. So 2 of you will stand a chance to win this giveaway, and for that what you have to do, I'll share that later in this video. First, let me quickly show you how I planted my succulents in these gorgeous planters and how I styled them. Now that you have already seen how I have styled these gorgeous little planters, here are the details to enter the giveaway. First, you have to like this video. Second, go through the link that I have added in description box and choose one planter from there, and you can share that link in comment box below, or you can get customized your planter. Yes, in your desired shape, your desired color. You just tell me in everything in comment box below, and Gurpreet will gladly turn that dream of yours into reality. So what you're waiting for? Come on, hurry up and leave me a comment, and you stand a chance, two of you stand a chance to win concrete planters. So that's all, and I'll see you really soon. Till then, wish you all love, luck and sunshine.